Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can actually text one of your contacts through your Command Mobile app. So first we'll want to open our Command Mobile app. You can see it at the top of my screen, the red square with the white KW. Go ahead and tap that. And if you have not signed in recently, you may be prompted to sign in using your Command username and password, and then also a verification code. After that, it should bring you right here to this dashboard. And the next step is to navigate to your contact that you actually want to send the text to. So you can use any of the shortcuts here on your dashboard, or you can use the tiny square with a little person in it at the bottom of your screen, which is your contacts tab. From here, use any of the search options at the top of the screen to navigate again to that contact that you want to reach out to. You can use the tabs, the search bar, or any of the filters. We're going to go ahead and just scroll down and use our Scott Leroy contact here that you see in the middle of our screen. To send a text message, what you're looking for is to have that little text message icon on the right-hand side of the screen, the little thought bubble with ellipses, the three dots in the middle. You want to see that raised on a white square with a little bit of a shadow behind it showing that it is lifted. That indicates that you have a primary phone number on file for that contact and you can easily text them through your app. You'll notice for all the other contacts showing on the screen that is grayed out, and that is when it shows that there's not a primary phone number on file for that contact, and you will not be able to easily text them through your app. So again, for Scott Leroy, we're just going to go ahead and tap on the, again, thought bubble with the three ellipses indicating a text message. And it gives you two options. You can either choose the top option and actually text them through your device using your own mobile number, or you can choose the bottom option, which is texting them through WhatsApp. We have a different tip video that shows you how to use WhatsApp with your Command Mobile app. So definitely check that out if that's the option you want to choose. But for now, we're going to stick with texting through our own device and choose the top option. It should bring you to a screen like this where it begins drafting that text message to that contact. Now, whether you send this or you don't, when you navigate back to command, you'll get a pop-up screen. So let me show you what that looks like. At the top left-hand corner, we're just going to touch command to navigate back to Command Mobile. And this is the pop-up. It's actually asking you if you want to add this activity to that contact's timeline to document that message. This is always a good idea, right? Document. So go ahead and click Add Activity. And it fills in the first two fields for you, text and then the date. And you have a description box where you can go ahead and include maybe the exact text or the general message that you sent. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click Save at the top right-hand corner. You'll get a banner at the bottom letting you know that that contact timeline has been updated with that activity, and you can quickly move on to the next contact to send them a text message. If you have any questions about how to do this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.